Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you. I received a lot of queries from all of you that is related to Cognizant Gen C exam and interview. In the video we will discuss about the first phase and second phase update. In the first phase the interviews survey mail is there and second phase examination are ongoing. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. You are preparing for Cognizant, no need to worry about that. I already shared 9 videos that is completely free preparation related videos in which you will find communication assessment, aptitude assessment, technical assessment, exam cutoff, result, technical interview mail, as well as the interview question for Gen C, Gen C Pro and Gen C Next. Okay, so you can check out this playlist, that is very helpful. So let's discuss about our first phase. Okay, firstly we are discuss about the first phase update. As we know that first phase examinations are completed and candidates are waiting for the particular exam result. Okay, some of the candidates they received the Cognizant interview survey mail. So first of all, mention in comment section how was your performance in technical assessment and aptitude assessment. Okay, so it will very helpful for everyone, like how many questions you solve in aptitude, how many questions you solve in the technical assessment, because as we know that your communication assessment performance, your aptitude assessment performance, technical assessment performance will determine your selection, or we can say that will like उससे ही आपका selection decide होता है. It will decide your selection. First of all, I will tell one most important point. Candidate mention in technical exam I solved 2 SQL, 2 Java, 1 HTML, and my performance in aptitude and average, will I get interview mail, and candidate get the interview survey mail. Okay, so you can see clearly here. Okay, aptitude performance is average, okay, or we can say that medium, but in the technical examination candidate completely solved the section 2 SQL, 2 Java and 1 HTML, total 5 question completely solved. Candidates received the interview survey mail. Okay, and after that one of the candidate mentioned communication moderate, fine. As I already said, communication plus aptitude plus technical assessment performance. Okay, aptitude score 23 plus. Okay, good. Gaming 6 level passed, 11, 23, 21, good. Technical 2 SQL, 1 C sharp plus done with HTML CSS. Okay, so 2 plus 1 C sharp, 1 and done with HTML CSS means total 4 question candidate solve. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, part is there any chances for selection for Gen C role? I chose cluster 2 but I got cluster 3. Still candidate received the interview survey mail from the Cognizant team. Okay, so now there are two condition, guys. Okay, I am telling the two condition. The first condition is there is a shortlisting process. Okay, like they are checking everything. Okay, they are checking your performance in examination, how you perform in communication, how you perform in aptitude, how you perform in technical assessment. The most important part is aptitude plus technical assessment का यहाँ पर ज़्यादा performance देखा जाता है, and it will decide your selection that you will receive the interview survey mail or not. Okay, and the second condition is we will receive the exam result in the form of phases. Okay, phases means different dates. अभी हमें रिजल्ट नहीं आया है या हमें रिजल्ट के बारे में नहीं पता चला है, अपकमिंग डेट्स में पता चल सकता है या फिर कुछ नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग वीक्स में पता चल सकता है. बिकॉज वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, एज वी नो दैट देयर आर क्लस्टर 1, क्लस्टर 2 एंड क्लस्टर 3. ओके, सो ऐसा ये रहता है कि वो रिजल्ट आपको बैचेस में भेज सकते हैं. दे विल सेंड द रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बैचेस. दैट फर्स्ट बैच में या फर्स्ट फेज में उन्होंने 200 कैंडिडेट्स को भेजा, फिर नेक्स्ट फेज में उन्होंने 300 कैंडिडेट्स को भेजा. दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशंस आर देयर. सो देयर आर टू कंडीशन. कोई भी कंडीशन हो सकती है, या तो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग ज़्यादा हुई है या तो फिर रिजल्ट फेजेस में आएगा. वी हैव टू वेट पेशेंसली, बिकॉज जब तक कि कंपनी का मेल नहीं आता है हमें पेशेंसली वेट करना पड़ेगा. टिल आई सजेस्ट एवरीवन टू अप्लाई फॉर अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी. ओके, एंड फोकस ऑन अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी. I already explained this interview update in the previous video. Cognizant off-campus hiring eligible for in-person technical interview. You received this type of mail means you are shortlisted. अब यहाँ पर एक और चीज़ होती है, ये सर्वे 17 मार्च तक ही है, आज तक ही ये सर्वे। हो सकता है नेक्स्ट फेज का सर्वे भी हमें जल्दी आ जाए, वो फेजेस में आ जाए, तो वो फेजेस में इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट करवा रहे होंगे। दो ही कंडीशन है, या तो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग ज़्यादा हुई है, या तो फिर इंटरव्यू के जो एग्ज़ाम के जो रिजल्ट है वो फेजेस में आएंगे। ओके, so I suggest everyone to you can check out our Gen-Z interview update video. It will very helpful for everyone. As I already said, you have to take your laptop to Cognizant office. आपको अपना लैपटॉप ले जाना पड़ेगा at Cognizant office. You have to log in to Superset portal as your interview will be recorded on Superset portal. Okay, bring a college ID card if available, copies of resume, 10th 12th diploma, UG and PG original mark sheet, degree, provisional certificate, industry aggregated certificate if any, and other educational document. As I already said, you have to update your resume. It will very helpful for everyone. Okay, so I already explained all the process in this video 2 days ago, so you will find everything. Okay, one most important point, many of the candidate received the update from our channel. I received Lokesh sir, thank you for your guidance. Got the mail, thank you so much for your guidance on all update. Thank you for your guidance, received mail today. Okay, I received mail today, thank you man. I received Cognizant offline interview. My communication assessment is 80% good, in aptitude 70% okay, game based 10 7 11, and in technical assessment 1.5 Java code, means we can say that one coding question is completely solved and second coding question is half solved. So 1.5 question is solved, 2 SQL is completed, okay, and 90% HTML is completed. Okay, so your overall performance is very important. Thank you so much Lokesh bhaiya. Okay, so the thing is candidates are receiving the update and there are only two condition, as I already said, या तो shortlisting ज़्यादा हुई है या we will receive the update in the form of phases. Okay, I already shared the Cognizant interview questions video. Okay, you will find this video on our channel Gen-Z Pro, Gen-Z Next. It is very helpful for everyone. 4 days ago, free resources are there. Let's discuss about the Cognizant second phase examination update. Many of the candidates are continuously asking about the update Cognizant off-campus hiring assessment prerequisite. One most important point, that here we do not have to confuse. There are two dates, okay, 13th March and 17th March. Okay, you have to particularly check the aptitude exam mail. Okay, I received a lot of queries related this कि aptitude exam क्या हम 13 या 17 को दे सकते हैं? नहीं, you have to check the aptitude exam mail. Particular aptitude exam mail उन्होंने single mail आपको share किया है, in which they clearly mention what's your exam date and what's the particular time. Okay, so check and attend the examination. That is very important. And tomorrow your communication assessment will be scheduled, and after that technical assessment will be scheduled. No need to worry about that. Okay, this is a communication assessment. First round is online, then your online assessment of aptitude assessment, technical assessment. पहले एप्टीट्यूड हो गया, अब कल आपका कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट है, देन टेक्निकल असेसमेंट है, फिर यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर वन ऑफ द रोल Gen-Z Next, Gen-Z Pro and Gen-Z. One most important point guys that I have to mention, I already created lot of videos related to communication assessment, aptitude assessment, technical assessment, exam cutoff, exam result interview. So no need to worry about that. If you want another videos, let me know in the comment section. Best wishes for your examination. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, this is the update of first phase and second phase. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.